start by creating a new blank document in Fireworks. 660 by 440 pixels is about right with a white background. Choose the ellipse tool and set the outline to be a green and the fill to be yellow. Change the outline to be about 3 pixels and draw an ellipse in the center. Draw a second ellipse up here, and then holding down the shift key, ensure you've got both of those things selected. We're going to do a modify, and we're going to combine the paths of these to be a union. You can then use the subselect tool to change the shape of the outline a little bit. Next we are going to draw another ellipse, and we are then going to use the knife tool to split this into 2 parts. In the layers panel you can see that they're there. We select the one that we don't want and press the delete key. Next we are going to draw another ellipse, and this time we are going to use the reshape area tool. We need to select the item that we want to reshape, and then we are going to reshape the item. We can then make copies of this. It copies directly onto each other, so we have to move them away. We can then use the scale tool to rotate these a little bit and resize them as well, perhaps. Take these 3 items, select them all, and use Ctrl G to group them into one. In the layers panel we can move those behind the duck. I might want to reshape the duck so it's not so squashed. Then we can use the ellipse tool. If we make sure we don't have anything selected, go back to the ellipse tool. This time we are going to have a black fill and a black pen, and we're going to draw a small part of the eye. Then if we make the fill be white and the outline be smaller 1, if we draw a I'm going to move those items and reselect the smaller one and change the fill on that to black. We could then use the ellipse tool again to maybe have an orange fill and a green outline of 3, and we can draw 1 ellipse, and we can Control CV that to copy it, and we'll use the shape tool again to move these items around a little bit. And then making sure that we've got both of them selected, using the shift key we can modify, combine the paths again for a union, and use the subselect tool to pick up the smaller point and bring it in. Now with our beak we can put it there, and we can plonk it behind the body of the duck. Finally what we could do is we could draw some legs on the duck. Perhaps we'd make those orange as well. We can copy those and move them around a little bit, rotate them so in different positions. Finally we can draw some parts that we will make to be feet of the duck. And we have 3 parts for this. Again, we can combine these and group them. Something that looks like the feet of the duck. Not working. Okay, we can group those together. We can scale and rotate